Welcome. Question number 7. Given that 3 log a plus 5 log a minus 6 log a all equals to log 64, we have to find the value of what? The a. Remember, if I have 3 the log of a, 5 the log of a minus 6 the log of a equals to log of what? 64. You can see they are all in the same base 10, base 10, even though it's not indicated. So we first apply the power rule, which is any multiplier become a power to the argument. So I have the log of a power 3, the log of a power 5, the log of a power 6, the log of what? 64. Remember also that the product rule is when we are adding, we multiply the argument. When we are subtracting, we divide the argument. So I'm going to have the log of a power 3 multiplying a power 5 because they are adding, divided by a power what? 6. Or as the argument equals to the log of what? 64. By indices, we know this is going to be addition of powers. So that will give you power 8 divided by a what? The same base, power 6. That is a subtraction. 8 minus 2, 6, section A. So I can ignore the addition there. This is going to be power 8 minus this, a power 2 equals what? Log 64 can be 8 what? Power 2. So from here, since we are having the same thing, the logarithms, we can take the anti-log of both sides, which will make the logarithm to cancel, giving us only a square equals what? A square. So when the square are the same, that means that a is equals to what? 8. We can also take the square root from here, as we have 64, the square root of 64. That will give you what? The positive aspect to be what? The value as 8. So when you check on the question paper, your option is going to be the option C. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next one.